What's up, guys? This is Dan with Paul Payne Productions. It is December 28th, the first day of doe rifle season. So me and P. Diddy Payne here, editor, chief, leader. We are out here. There's actually a deer right there and over there. We're out here at some private land that I have access to, that there's a bunch of does. We put out a West Virginia mountain food plot the other day. Paul's gonna film and we're gonna slock one. That's the plan. About to get changed.
Meat in the freezer, boys.
What are we gonna do, Paul? We're gonna do what?
We're gonna put meat in the freezer. That's what we're doing.
Meat in the freezer. Paul just got him. He forgot his boots. He just has Crocs. So, hey, this is a West Virginia mountain food plot right here. That's all you need.
Some Ozark.
So we got him some Ozark hiking boots. So we're gonna get changed, and we'll go from here.
Okay, guys, so we just got in our ladder stand for the evening, and I didn't see the deer, but Dan saw a got me. I think I got the footage though. We'll have to look at it, but I think she just ran right over the hill. Nice. That was a lot of deer. Yeah, that's cool. Forget my ears are ringing. I don't think I got a good shot. There's some hair right there. I mean, that don't mean nothing. You want blood? I don't see any blood, do you? Dude, I think you hit her though. She was hurting. That's a big duck. That's a nice deer. Well, I ended up getting one, so it's a late season doe, and we're gonna keep hunting. We got a couple more days. I'm gonna try to shoot a bear, and then we're gonna bring my buddy Matt. We're gonna try public in the morning, and then we're gonna come here again in the evening. A couple of days later this week, and that'll be it for our 2021 season. It's been a good year. Lots of meat in the freezer. We're gonna feed our families, and hey, that was a heck of a hunt. Good time. Heck of a hunt, buddy. That's legit. Let's get some good pictures with you. We're gonna take some pictures.
That's a heck of a doe.
We're gonna keep dropping the content, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.
All right, guys. About to get some trophy photos. Get my camera out. How you feel, Dan?
You know, it looks a lot easier in videos. But I did that.
Finally back of the truck, boys.
Good thing it was only 100 yards.
About 200 yards or so. That's a good trade, buddy. Won't go to waste. See y'all next time.